रूटीन की, who are people are asymptomatic, तो उसके लिए we usually prefer not to exert themselves but to do breathing exercises. Breathing exercises like pranayams you can add into your regular routines. दिन में 2 बार भी आप कर सकते हो these pranayams. Bhastrika is very good for you. Doing Ujjayi breaths is very good for you. Bhramari pranayam is good for you. Blowing candles is good for you. And thoracic breathing too. It's a very nice breathing in this scenario. So do usually more of the breathing exercises. Prone postures you do. उल्टे आप पेट के बल लेट जाएं थोड़ी देर के लिए और उससे your lungs get more better oxygen into it. All such asanas helps a lot. Surya Namaskar is also a set of asanas. It's only yoga. We have many sets of asanas in yoga, and Surya Namaskar is full-fledged, one sets of 12 asanas. So it's a combination. Doing practicing yoga will give you everything. If you can manage to do Surya Namaskar, so it's well and good practice to do. After being vaccinated, it is better to, if it depends how you're feeling right now. If you're feeling feverish, then you can do only breathing exercises और लेटे लेटे आप कुछ movements कर सकते हो अपनी body में, छोटे छोटे joint movements कर सकते हो. And if you are feeling good, then you can do light movements, standing up, खड़े होके कर सकते हो. And still you are feeling good after being vaccinated, then you can do all the asanas. Exercises, prone postures like Bhujangasana, Dhanurasana, Superman pose, which is known as Vipreet Shalabhasana. All these asanas, prone poses they are known as, can help you in lung opening exercises, which expands your lung. So these are good. Pranayams, as I told you before, are very nice. Yoga surely can help in curing depression, as yoga is not just a set of exercise or asanas. Yoga is a lifestyle. It's a beautiful, positive thinking. It brings a good thinking to you, a healthy thinking to you. It brings your mind, state of mind, to a quietness, to a calmness, which is very important for anyone in this scenario. Plus, doing yoga and pranayams, happy hormones known as dopamine get released in our body, which helps in curing out the depression. So yes, yoga is very beneficial to one to come out of it. It's totally a myth. This is nothing true in that. Yoga and breathing exercise only can bring good to you. That's sure you have to do it according as you're listening to your body, how much your body allows to breathe in and how much it allows you to move. Everyone is suffering from breathing problem in today's scenario while COVID-19. And pranayam is the only thing which can help you naturally. See, our system, our nature has provided us 2 cylinders, oxygen cylinders in our body, which are lungs, obviously. So why not to make use of it? If you are breathing, expanding, the muscles around your lungs, the cartilages around, they get flexible. The capacity of them to get more expanded and then contract, it gets more oxygen into it, as I told you before. So it already helps in getting oxygen to you and make lesser the problems of breathing. you before also. Basic breathing exercises like blowing candle, Bhramari, Bhastrika, and thoracic breathing, abdominal breathing, clavicular breathing, or such will help you to get your lungs better and healthy.